Are you ready to test your English vocabulary skills? Welcome to this exciting Synonym Quiz Challenge. In this video, you'll face 30 multiple-choice questions where you have to choose the correct synonym. Each question will test how well you understand English words and their meanings. Think carefully, choose the right answer, and see how many you can get correct. Can you score 30 out of 30? Pause the video if you need more time, and don't forget to keep track of your score. Let's begin and see how strong your vocabulary really is.
Question number 1. What is a synonym of happy? Answer C. Joyful. Question number 2. What is a synonym of fast? Answer A. Rapid. Question number 3. What is a synonym of big? Answer B. Huge. Question number 4. What is a synonym of smart? Answer A. Clever. Question number 5. What is a synonym of cold? Answer D. Freezing. Question number 6. What is a synonym of begin? Answer B. Start. Question number 7. What is a synonym of easy? Answer C. Simple. Question number 8. What is a synonym of brave? Answer D. Courageous. Question number 9. What is a synonym of Rick? Answer D. Wealthy. Question number 10. What is a synonym of angry? Answer C. Furious. Question number 11. What is a synonym of beautiful? Answer D. Pretty. Question number 12. What is a synonym of strong? Answer A. Powerful. Question number 13. What is a synonym of old? Answer D. Ancient. Question number 14. What is a synonym of quick? Answer A. Rapid. Question number 15. What is a synonym of clean? Answer B. Pure. What is a synonym of dangerous? Answer C. Risky. Question number 17. What is a synonym of funny? Answer A. Humorous. Question number 18. What is a synonym of help? Answer A. Assist. Question number 19. What is a synonym of end? Answer D. Finish. Question number 20. What is a synonym of idea? Answer C. Thought. Question number 21. What is a synonym of afraid? Answer C. Scared. Question number 22. What is a synonym of honest? Answer D. Truthful. Question number 23. What is a synonym of tiny? Answer C. Small. Question number 24. What is a synonym of friend? Answer A. Companion. Question number 25. What is a synonym of teacher? Answer B. Instructor. Question number 26. What is a synonym of job? Answer A. Work. Question number 27. What is a synonym of danger? Answer B. Risk. Question number 28. What is a synonym of calm? Answer D. Peaceful. Question number 29. What is a synonym of buy? Answer B. Purchase. Question number 30. What is a synonym of ask? Answer C. Question.